Hi there, Mr. Calliorason. It's been a while, hasn't it? I'm not quite sure what I'm going to say, and I'm not sure if I'm going to post this, but I probably will. If I say whatever I say well, I think I'll put it on YouTube and, see what sticks to the virtual wall. This time around, I really don't want to have anything approaching a script. And I certainly don't want to talk about social and political issues at length. Only how they impact me and my family and my principles. That's what I wish to talk about. My soul. And how it connects to your soul. And perhaps how we can go on together to make better sense and have a better outcome of this rewarding, redemptive, excruciating challenge we call life. Lately, what was that? Lately, I have been reading and seeing all these articles and memes and video presentations, social media presentations, and even just media presentations, CNN, Fox, about how awful 2023 was. And it's taken me aback because I never had that feeling. Yeah, 2023 had its challenges, or I should say there were challenges within 2023. I can't ascribe that to the year, nor can I ascribe any wonderful things to the year. I ascribe them to me and the people around me and to God. 2023 was wonderful because I continued to guide my family, and I continued to allow them to guide me. I continued to serve my community. I continued to grow as a man. I continued to love God. And all that entails. That entails grace. That entails growth. So there's all these people that are going on and on about how terrible 2023 was. And some of them, they talk about bad things that happened to them during the year. And I get it. Bad things happened to me and my family too. But these events were a day or a week. They could even stretch on for a month. Right? But there's more days, more weeks, more months that were not those bad events. And all these bad events allow us to grow, allow us to learn, allow us to love more fully. So many people have gone on about 2023 being horrible because of that group over there, or that person over there, or these people over there, or those movies, or these books, or etc., etc., etc. Stop! Ad nauseum. They want to garner likes. They want the likes, they want the clicks, they want the revenue, they want the attention. And they bring their audiences with them through the muck and mire. And that is a great disservice. 2023 was wonderful, and 2024 will be more of the same. I will continue to grow. I will continue to serve family, community, and most importantly, God, because by loving and serving God, that allows me and that tells me how to serve myself and my family and my community. So, life is wonderful. Often it is painful, really painful. But don't overlook the precious opportunity, the precious gift that we are given every single second just by being here. And that's all I have to say for now. You be real good to yourselves. I insist. See ya. And I click this off.